Hello, my dear friends and students. Good morning. Today, in the application of trigonometry 9.1, 14th problem, let us see. 1.2 meters tall girl spots a balloon. Yes, 1.2 meters. 1.2 meters height girl spots a balloon. She saw the balloon here. Here she saw the balloon. Yes, balloon moving the wind in a horizontal line. Yes, it's moved in a horizontal line. The balloon moves in a horizontal line. Yes, girl is here. It is the base. This is the girl's height. Yes. Moving the wind, the balloon moved horizontal line at a height of 88.2 meters. Yes, the height of the balloon is 88.2. That means this height includes the girl height also. This height includes the girl height also. From the ground, the angle of the elevation of the balloon from the eyes of the girl at any instance is first the girl saw the balloon. The girl saw the balloon at a 60 degrees. Yes, suppose the balloon is like this. At a 60 degrees angle, she saw the balloon. Let us. That means to the balloon, no thread is there. So, dotted line shown in the textbook. Yes, the balloon is like this. She saw the balloon at 60 degrees angle first. After for some time, the angle of elevation, the angle of elevation is reduced. It is reduced. The angle of elevation reduced to 30 degrees. Later, she saw the balloon. Then the angle of elevation reduced to 30 degrees. Balloon is here, isn't it? Yes. Now, what is find the distance traveled by the balloon during that interval? Yes, the distance the balloon moved to here, traveled from here to here. Yes, the distance we have to find out. The distance means it is. The distance is. Let us name them. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Yes. H also let us see. E, F, G, G, H. Line the letters, right? E, F, G, E, F, G, H. We named them. Let us draw. We drew the figure neatly. Now we have to describe. Describe means what is there in the textbook. That is stepwise we have to write. Yes, what is girl's height? Girl's H-E-I-G-H-T. Girl's height is 1.2 meters. Girl's height is 1.2 meters. The height of the balloon, the H-E-I-G-H-T, height of the balloon is 88.2 meters. Now, actual height of the balloon, is from the girl, balloon height is that means 88.2 minus girl's height also 1.2. we have to subtract 87 meters. You see, from the girl we are seeing the balloon height. The balloon height. That means is from the girl stand here. Yes, it is the height of the girl 1.2 meters. It is 1.2 meters. Totally 88.2 meters. From the eyes of the girl, the balloon height is 1.2. We have to subtract 87 meters is the balloon height after deducting the girl's height. Actually, from the ground 88.2, but the girl stood, the girl's height is deducted, then remaining is 87 meters. Next, first elevation of angle, first elevation of the angle, the elevation angle is 60 degrees. 60 degrees. Second time, elevation of angle is 60 degrees. No, 30 degrees. 30 degrees. Yes, balloon mode is B2A. Here to here balloon mode. That distance, now we have to find, we have to find distance moved by balloon, that is B2A. That is, now we have, that is the question we have to find. Yes, B2A, the balloon moved, that distance B2A is equal to D2E, isn't it? Now let us write this also. BA is equal to BA is equal to D. Next, CE parallel to HF and CE equal to also HF. You see, CE parallel to HF. At the same time, is how much is there? The same is the length here, isn't it? CE equal to HF. You see, it is all we are writing only for the steps purpose. Easily we drew the diagram easily, no problem. At the same time, BD is equal to AE also. Here let us write BD is equal to AE also, because where is the balloon horizontally moved means there is no difference in the distance. What is the distance here? Same is the distance here. Isn't it? Yes. Now let us find the problem. Now we are going to tackle the problem. Up to now we only wrote the steps, we described. Now let us see. Yes, first this total, you see, it is the angle and triangle BCD. Triangle BCD. Angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Isn't it? Because it is what? Right angle triangle. Trigonometry means it deals with only right angle triangles. Alright. Now let us see. Tan 60. Tan. How do we found it is tan or cos or sine? You see, we have to find this height. We have to find this height and this also. Yes, this also. Suppose let us x from here to here. Let us say d meters. It is x meters. It is d meters. What is C to D is d meters. Let us say d to E is x meters. Let us say. Let us write this also. C to D is d meters and D to E is how many? X meters. That is let it is let us. Isn't it? Now we have to find out First triangle, let us see what is BCD. BCD, let us triangle. In this angle D is equal to 90 degrees. Now, and what is angle BCD? Angle BCD is equal to 60 degrees. Angle BCD is equal to 60 degrees. What we have to find out? You see this height, this BD, that means the height of the balloon, this BD, and also we have to find out this side. Angle adjacent side is adjacent side, opposite side is 80. Only we are dealing with we are seeing the relation of the opposite side and adjacent side of the theta degrees. That is what ratio? That ratio is at the opposite side by adjacent side is tan. Is it? Is equal to? Yes, tan 60 degrees is equal to what is opposite side? BD. What is opposite side? BD by what is adjacent side? D meters. That is equal to what is BD? BD is only up to here. BD is equal to here we did not write a let see here is BD is equal to how much? 88.2 minus 1.2 is equal to 87. Already we have written 87. It is 87. Yes, sir. BD is equal to how much? 87 by D we don't know. D that is equal to tan 60 degrees. Tan 60 means how much? Root 3. Root 3 is equal to 87 by D. That is equal to cross multiplication. Cross multiplied bracket you have to write root 3 into D. Root 3D. That is equal to 1 into 87. 87. But we want D value. D is equal to 87 by root 3 when comes root by it is first one. Next, he moved somewhere else away and looked at the balloon. Look at the moved balloon at 30 degrees. Now that is what is a triangle ACE. In triangle ACE, what is angle E is equal to 90 degrees. Angle E is equal to 90 degrees. Here, how much angle he saw? It is the elevated angle. It is the elevated angle. How much? What is at 30 degrees? Elevation of angle. Elevation of angle is 30 degrees. What 30 degrees? You see, at 30 degrees C, he wants to find out the height and at the same time the adjacent side. And that means 30 degrees theta, opposite side and adjacent side. What is the ratio? Opposite side by adjacent side. That ratio is tan theta. Tan 30 degrees we have to find out. Now tan 30 degrees is equal to what is from here to here we are seeing, we are taking as this is the base, isn't it? Yes, opposite side how much? 82 minus 1.2, isn't it? Now up to here only 87. 87 opposite side by and what is adjacent side? Adjacent side CE. CE means D and the X meters. Up to here D meters. Up to here X meters. That means D plus X meters. Isn't it? D plus X meters. That is. Now tan 30 degrees is equal to 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equal to 87 by D plus X. 87 by D plus X. Yes, let us cross multiply. Here also what we have written here, cross multiplied like that in the bracket also you have to write. Being it is spaces are insufficient, I am writing here one after another, but you write one by one under another, like that once wise you write. Yes, let us D plus X, 1D plus X, 1D plus X is equal to 1 root 3, 7 root 3. 87 into root 3, 87 root 3. What we have to find out? We have to find out from here to here how many meters this balloon moved horizontally from one place to another place. Yes, let us see. Now, x value we have to find out. Is it? Let us write x is equal to this side what is 87 root 3. 87 root 3. Next, what is x value? D goes to other side minus d. Isn't it? This plus d when goes to the other side minus d. Now we are going to find out the x value. Let us write 87 root 3 minus d value. Wow, you see here we find d value is 87 by root 3. Already we found. Now fractions. If we want to add the fractions or subtract the fractions, so what we have to do? We have to find the LCM. Now let us find the LCM here. 1 and root 3, root 3, root 3. Yes, 1 in root 3, how many times goes? Root 3 times goes. 1 in root 3, how many times goes? Root 3 times goes. Root 3 into 87, 87 root 3 into root 3. Isn't it? You see, 1 in root 3 times goes. With root 3, we have to multiply the numerator. What is the numerator? 87 into root 3. 87 into root 3 into root. This 1 times root 3 times goes means that number of times numerator also developed. Into root 3, we multiply. Minus. Yes, root 3 and root 3, how many times goes? Only one time. 187, 87. Yes. Let us write once again. Yes, 87. Yes, root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 87. Isn't it? By root 3. What is 87 into 87? No, it is somewhat. Here, let us see here common is in this 87 two terms. Two terms means in this 87 is common, isn't it? 87 is common. Let us bring out 87. Here what more? Let us find LCM later. Now you see 87 into root 3 minus 87 by root 3. 87 by root 3. 87 by root 3 minus 87 by root 3. Yes, in this what is common? In this and in this 87 is common. We did not do nothing. What is here? Same we have written here. That much. In this two terms, 87 is common. 87 brought out. And what more there? Root 3 is there here. Minus. Here, 87 already brought out. 1 by root 3 will be remained. 1 by root 3 will be remained. Isn't it? Now let us find LCM in the bracketed thing. Yes. For 1 and root 3, root 3. Yes, 1 in root 3, how many times goes? Root 3 times goes. Root 3 into root 3, we have to find out. Root 3 into root 3. Isn't it? Yes, 1 in root 3 times goes. That number of times we have to multiply the numerator. Root 3 into root 3. Yes, minus symbol minus. Root 3 in root 3, how many times goes? 1 time. 5 in 5, how many times goes? 1 time. Root 3 in root 3, 1 time goes. 1. Yes. Let us again simplify. Root 3 into root 3. Here let us write root 3 into root 3. What is x is equal to what is that? We are doing only in the bracketed thing only. Root 3 into root 3, 3 minus 1 by root 3. Isn't it? Yes. Now 87 into 2 by root 3. 87 into 2 by root 3. You see 87, 3 minus 1, 2. 87 into 2 by root 3. Yes. Now, how many times 2 sevens are 14, 1, 2 8s are 16 plus 1, 174 by root 3. 174 by root 3. But it is the x value, but we should not leave it like that. In the denominator, irrational number is there. In the denominator, irrational number is there. We have to rationalize. We should not show in the denominator irrational number. We have to rationalize means both numerator and denominator let us multiply by root 3. Yes, now 174 root 3 by root 3 into root 3, 3. Root 3 into root 3, 3. Yes, 3 how many times goes? 5 times. 5 3s are 15, 28 times. That is equal to 58 root 3. What is x is equal to? X is equal to 58 point root 3 meters. It is 58 root 3 meters. X is equal to. X is equal to means the distance between balloon, the moved balloon from B to A is, you write here. You write here what is the distance. The distance of the moved balloon from first place to second place, that is B to A, is equal to 58 root 3 meters. 58 root 3 meters. That is the way in which we have to tackle the problem. You see, if you are not able to understand, pass it and verify once again. We written clearly and we wrote the steps, and three things we have done. First, we have drew the diagram neatly after understanding the problem. Later, we described the problem over. Next, ratios we found out. What ratio? Whether it is tan ratio or cos ratio, sin ratio. Ratios we have to decide. And simply doing one after another. Thank you very much. Please like and share and subscribe.